What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. This is a core text for anyone who is training to be or working as an internal or external quality assurer or QA. When it comes to the further education and skills sector, this book, in which you can get also on the ebook, has all the information you need to work towards the quality assurance unit for qualifications such as the certificate and diploma in education and training, as well when it comes to quality assurance units of the learning and development qualification. The book will take you through all the necessary information that you will need to know, opening up the most topics for learning in the most easiest and accessible way. Such as interactive activities are included throughout. The book will give you real examples of QA, and practice are also included. You will also get examples of completed internal and external quality assurance documents. You will learn the principle of external quality assurance planning, carry out quality assurance activities, which will include risk management, making decisions, and providing feedback. Record keeping. You will learn to understand the role and use of technology when it comes to planning, allocating, and monitoring the work of others. There could be hundreds of principles made up for quality assurance, but quality assurance include two main principles: fit for purpose. The product should assemble and be suitable for intended purpose, and right the first time. Mistakes should be eliminated. Also, not to be confused when it comes to quality control. These two do go hand in hand, but the breakdown is simple. Quality assurance is a process of verifying that the quality of work is performed is actually what was reported by quality control. In some establishments, quality assurance is stepping in and taking over the many management positions, and we're talking about from the warehouse duties on up to admin, financing, installation, service department, and much more. When it comes to QA, this is a critical task in any workplace. Q&A refers to the method by which the company ensures the integrity of its product or service. They make sure the process involves checks and balance throughout the workflow process. Wherever employees are responsible for ensuring the quality of their work. So when it comes to managers, a lot of them will not be so thorough when it comes to the check and balance of a process on getting tasks or projects done. In most cases, they're keen on delegating and overseeing the overall work that is being done. Q&A can cover many departments such as project management, have a hand in when it comes to time management. Leadership is a huge one, along with multitasking. But when it comes to being a quality assurance specialist, when it comes to teamwork, that is another big part of Q&A. It's the collaboration and the communication as a whole when it comes to ensuring a process is kept in order. Quality assurance specialists are responsible for monitoring, inspecting, and proposing measures to correct or improve a company's final product and processes in order to meet established quality standards. As I have mentioned, the industry in QA is on a rise due to the more demand of goods and services getting out there right away and right the first time, or taking out these cookie-cutter managers that are antiquated and haven't been upskilled or reskilled in years, that are still coming through company doors with a heap of old skill sets that only impress old upper management that can relate to their method of doing something. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I'll reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.